Today we will see continuation of previous lecture. I have taken a different problem here. See, the digits in tens and hundred places in 11 to the power 2016 are x and y respectively. Then the ordered pair x comma y is what? Options are given as option A mentioned as 1 comma 6, option B is 6 comma 1, option C is 8 comma 1, option D is 1 comma 8. This question is appeared in the year 2018. So very simple. The shortcut for this problem is very simple. There is a simple logic. I am taking one example. When you have some number like this, 2186. So if you are dividing this by 1000, what is going to be remainder? I can write this as 2000 plus 186. So this is dividing by 1000. I am writing here, and this is also by 1000. See, this is completely divided, and here is the remainder. This is going to be remainder, I said. Okay. And this remainder, if you clearly observe, in this remainder is 186. So I can say 6 is the digit in units place, 8 is the digit in tens place, 1 is the digit in hundreds place of the given number 2186. So when they are asking the digit in hundredth place and tens place, we have to divide this by 1000. Then you will get a resultant number in 3 digit. So first digit will be, rightmost digit will be units place digit, middle digit will be tens place digit, the last leftmost digit will be hundredth place digit. So he is concentrating only on two these things. One is hundredth place, one more is tens place. So this is the shortcut. One more is expansion, 11 to the power 2016. We already have known 1 plus k whole to the power n. We can write it as some rules we have known, right? I will explain that. If you have 1 plus k to the power n, since we are dividing by 1000, right? So until 11 can be written as 1 plus 10. Until you get 1000 means it will be written as 1 plus k into n plus k square into n minus 1 divided by 2 plus k cube into any integer. This is a shortcut formula to be useful for solving this problem. In this problem, k will be 10, n will be 2016. Let me try. Okay, so I am writing now this as 1 plus 10 to the power 2016. Now this will be written as according to the formula 1 plus 10 into 2016 plus k square is 100 into n is 2016 into 2016 minus 1 will be 2015 and divided by 2 we have, and plus k square means what is, k cube means it is 1000, right? 1000 into some integer I have written. Okay, fine. We can still write this as 11 to the power 2016 is equal to 1 plus 20,160 plus this will be written as 2 ones are and 2008. Am I right? Again, 1008 can be written as 2 into some number. Let me write that. 100 into 2 into 504 I can write. I will tell you what is the use of writing like that. Plus 1000 into some integer. So this is 100 here, this is 2 here, and this is 2015. If this 2 and 2015 are multiplied, we get 4030. Let me add these two now. And what is this? 20,161 you get. Plus, and this 100 I am writing as usual. So 2 into 2015 becomes 4030 into 504 plus 1000 into some integer. Okay, fine. So again I can write it as 20161 plus this 100 is there, right? 100 into this 0 is there, right? It will become 1000 into 403 into 504. Okay, plus 1000 into some integer. So you can take again 1000 as a common. Now let me write it as 20161 plus I could take 1000 as common, and this multiplication plus integer will become again some integer I could write. Okay, so now this number 11 to the power 2016 we have expressed in a different format, 1000 into some integer plus 20,161. Now this is to be divided by 1000. Now let me take it as dividing by 1000. Let me take another color. Okay, I am dividing this by 1000. Now let me write it as 2016 is divided by 1000, and what we get, this will be written as 20,000 plus 161 divided by 1000 here. Okay, divided by 1000 here plus 1000 into integer divided by 1000 we can write. Okay, so now what is this? This is divisible here, remainder 0. This is also divisible, the remainder is 0. Here remainder is 161 we are left with. Okay, now finally what is the remainder? The remainder is equal to 161. As I told you that 161 is the remainder. So this one is a units place, right? Units place digit. And this one is tens place digit. It is tens place digit. This one is hundredth place digit. Hundredth place digit. So we know that tens place digit is given as what? X, and hundredths place digit is given as y. So I am writing now tens place digit is x here. So x is equal to 6. Okay, and y is equal to hundredth place digit, which is 1. He is asking the ordered pair x comma y. That becomes what? 6 comma 1. Right? So the answer is what finally? 6 comma 1. So which option is given like that? The option is B given in that way. So option B will be the right answer. This is what our answer. Okay students, we discuss another problem. If the fractional part of the number 2 to the power 403 divided by 15 is k divided by 15, then the value of k is what? Option A given as 8, option B given as 4, option C given as 6, option D given as 14. See, this problem is appeared in the year 2019, recent year. Let me discuss about what is the difference between remainder and fractional part. Okay, so let me start this with, I am taking one example. 20 is divided by 3. I can write this as 18 by 3 plus 2 by 3, right? So 18 plus 2 is 20. 18 by 3 is a divisible number. 2 is not divided, right? So we can write 6 plus 2 by 3 here. So I can say that 2 is the remainder in this case. Okay, 2 is left out as a remainder. But 2 by 3 is there, right? This part is called as fractional part. Here 2 is a remainder, but 2 by 3 is fractional part. Okay, 2 is a remainder, but 2 by 3 is a fractional part, I could say. So this is the definition of fractional part. Okay, meaning of fractional part. So for same way, our question is what? 2 to the power 403 divided by 15. So definitely there will be a remainder comes. That remainder is still divided by 15 comes. Okay, let me write that. 2 to the power 403. Okay, so 2 multiple of 2 nearest to 15 is what? 16 only. 2 power 4 will be 16. Okay, so nearest number or nearest multiple of 2 for the 15 is 16 only. Okay, now let me write this one as 2 cube into 2 to the power 400. So 2 cube value is 8 and 2 power 400 will be written as 2 power 4 whole to the power 100. Again, I write this as 8 into 2 power 4 is 16 to the power 100. Okay, fine. So let us express this as 8 into 16 can be written as 1 plus 15, because my intention, it should be divisible by 15. Some remainder will be left out. Okay, that is given in our problem. According to our formula, we have a shortcut. According to that shortcut, we can write this one as what? 1 plus 15 into some integer. We can write like that. So if you send 8 inside, we get this as 2 power 403 is equal to 8 plus 8 into 15 into some integer you will get. Okay, some integer. Now this number is divided by 15 here, right? This number is divided by 15. Let me do that. 8 by 15 plus 8 into 15 into integer, some integer divided by 15 I can write. So this 15 cancel out. There is no remainder in this case, but there is a reminder that you are getting 8. So I can say 8 is a remainder. Okay, 8 is a remainder. But 8 by 15 is what? And 8 by 15 is fractional part. 8 by 15 is what? Fractional part. That's it. But given as what? But given that k by 15 is fractional part. So if you compare these two, and we get the value of k is equal to 8. Okay, on comparison, the value of k is 8 you will get. So that is the answer. Let us see which option is the right answer. According to the options, option A is mentioned like that. Right? This is the problem 2019. We will see now another problem which came in 2020. Is if fractional part of p denotes the fractional part of number p, the symbol denotes fractional part of number p, then the value of this curly braces 3 to the power 200 divided by 8 is what? Option A mentioned as 5 by 8, option B is 1 by 8, option C is 7 by 8, option D is 3 by 8. And this question is appeared in the year 2020 only, 2020 problem. Fine, let's have a look onto this problem. As we know about fractional part, let me start discussing about it. So what is that given number? That is 3 to the power 200. And this is dividing by a number called 8. The nearest multiple of 3 to 8 is 9 only, right? So better we will write it as very simple 3 squared to the power 100. Okay. So we can write 200 can be 3 square whole to the power 100. 3 square is 9, we can write 9 to the power 100. We can write this 9 as what? 1 plus 8 to the power 100. According to our shortcut trick, 1 plus k whole power n can be written as 1 plus k into integer. I will write it as 1 plus 8 into some integer. Now this number is divided by 8. So let us write that 3 to the power 200 divided by 8 will be written as 1 plus 8 into some integer divided by 8 completely. So we can write it as 1 by 8 and 8 into some integer divided by 8 we will get. So these two cancel out. Here the remainder is 0. But here this is left as a reminder, 1 left out as a reminder. But I told you that 1 by 8 is fractional part, 1 is a remainder. 1 is remainder, but 1 by 8 is fractional part. Okay, 1 by 8 is fractional part I said. Okay, fractional part. So my answer is what? 1 by 8. You can see option B is the right answer for this. Thank you.